Key competencies for a business analyst. We will explore the key competencies that are crucial for success in the field of business analysis. Analytical skills. Business analysts are responsible for gathering and analyzing data to identify trends, patterns, and opportunities for improvement within an organization. Critical thinking and problem solving. By approaching challenges with a logical and systematic mindset, business analysts can identify root causes, develop creative solutions, and drive meaningful change within organizations. Communication skills. Effective communication is key for business analysts to succeed in their role. Business analysts must be able to effectively communicate with stakeholders at all levels of an organization, from C-suite executives to frontline employees. Data analysis. By leveraging data analysis tools and techniques, business analysts can uncover insights, trends, and patterns that drive business performance and success. Business acumen. By possessing business acumen, business analysts can make informed decisions, develop effective strategies, and drive growth for organizations. Stakeholder management. By building trust, eliciting feedback, and aligning expectations, business analysts can ensure that projects are successful and meet the needs of stakeholders. Conclusion. In conclusion, possessing a diverse set of key competencies is essential for business analysts to succeed in their role,